Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can get weather alerts on your iPad. So the first step is to open the weather app. Then from here you'll obviously notice the weather that you're currently in, the weather of the area you're currently in. And if you want to get alerts, say for example if it's going to rain soon or if it's sunny, then it's fairly simple. Open the side panel. Then from here, tap on these three dots. Select the option Notifications, then select Continue. So confirm that you want to receive notifications, and then you'll also need to confirm that for critical alerts. And once you've allowed that, you'll need to grant access to your current location. So go to Settings by tapping on this option here. Then from here, select Always. Once you've selected Always, it means that your weather app will now be able to use your location services every single moment of the day. So tap on this weather option here to go back to the weather app. Then once you've turned that on, you can now choose to have severe weather enabled or disabled, or next hour precipitation enabled or disabled. Once you've finished with that, tap on Done to save the changes. So now you'll be receiving weather alerts, whether it's going to rain, it's going to hail, if it's going to start snowing, you'll receive weather alerts from your iPad. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.